Hello, I am HAPPI. I am the world's first AI-powered process ingestion bot brought to you by Prime BPM. I'm here to revolutionize process mapping by seamlessly transforming your flowcharts, process images, and inconsistent process maps into digital, BPMN-compliant process maps in minutes. Simply upload your process images and let me take care of the rest. Say goodbye to scattered maps across different departments in various formats like Visio, PowerPoint, PNG, JPEG, and PDF. With me, you can convert and save them all into one standardized and centralized process repository. I save you thousands of hours by transforming hundreds of maps in just minutes. This means you and your team can now focus on what truly matters, analyzing processes and driving meaningful improvements. Are you ready to fast-track your journey with me? The future of process management is here. Let's make it happen together. Contact us today.